Are you ready to spend a year in Japan? I'm Danny Tang, the founder of Bokksu, and I invite you to begin your journey across Japan. With your first box, experience the 4 seasons of Japan. Let's start off with some spring delights inspired by Japan's famous Hanami season. Our first snack is plum potato sticks that have the punch of sour plum. Our next snack is white strawberry. Made exclusively for Bokksu, this freeze-dried strawberry is infused with smooth white chocolate. The next snack is 20th century pear langue de chat, made of Tottori Prefecture's prized pears. Next is mochan dango mochi. 3 cute mochi inspired by a classic Hanami treat, Hanami Dango, now on to summer, known for its lively festivals and fireworks. Our first snack is seaweed tempura with sudachi. Its tangy flavor will have your taste buds tingling. Our next snack is dondonyaki. Its powerful flavor is inspired by the taiko drums at summer festivals. Next is mala senbei, bringing the heat of summer fireworks with each spicy bite. Our last summer snack is refreshing yuzu sake candy, handmade by a 100-year-old Kyoto candy maker. Fall is for beautiful foliage and a delicious harvest. Our first fall snack is the matcha stick cake, made with high-quality uji matcha. The next snack is apple caramel yakui sabure. This soft, sweet cookie is made with Aomori's famous apples for a delicious sweet flavor. Next is mini red bean crackers. These crackers from Nagoya bring the flavor of a traditional Japanese dessert. Our next snack is Kumamon sesame taiko drum. This sweet cracker gives a full day's worth of sesame. Japan celebrates winter with snow festivals and comfort foods. This next snack is the famous jagapokuru, made with Hokkaido-grown potatoes. Next is kinako mochi puffs that are baked with a secret patented process to be lighter than air. Next is the super savory Guritama Golden Pack, flavored like Japanese comfort food kake gohan. And we finish everything with a cup of organic genmai cha tea with premium sencha and roasted brown rice. Before you can finish your first box, it'll be time to experience something new as we continue delivering exciting flavors and stories each month. Subscribe now and taste what Japan truly has to offer.